Everybody, Hamilton here with the Trading Initiative. Very quick update. I'm currently in Prague, Czechia, one of my favorite cities in Europe, hands down. And I got to tell you guys something that's very important to me. If you're not looking at software stocks right now, what in the hell are you doing? Ticker IGV, showing you the entirety of the software industry group, and check out the incredible setup that we have here. Rounded bottom, horizontal level, indicating all-time highs with the bold flag on the side. Does this particular setup remind you of anything else that we've recently seen? I don't know. How about semiconductors, ticker SMH? Last year, the exact same setup. Rounded bottom, horizontal channel indicating all-time highs with the bull flag on the side, and we got the breakout in November, and we have run over 70% since then. Guys, not saying software stocks are going to run 70%, but from a technical standpoint, this is the exact same setup as semiconductors. It's the exact same setup as the sector that holds software, tech in general, rounded bottom, horizontal channel, bull flag, all-time highs today. Guys, I'm telling you right now, software is going to break out, and this will be one of the next big focus groups that you should be looking at. Inside of TTI, we're already long a couple of different software stocks. We're long Microsoft. This trade is up and over 130, 140% for us already. We're long ticker AAPL, which we've been long since earlier this year. Has been a really big winner for us. We're fully expecting this to be a $100 to $110 stock relatively soon. We're long other ones, including PLTR as of today. Yes, we bought PLTR today on the pullback at 27.5. This looks like the next big opportunity in the mid-cap space, or large cap space. Definitely not a mid-cap with Palantir sitting, I think it's $61 billion market cap. We love this setup. We're looking for a $40 move off the 27.5 breakout. Guys, if you're not focused on software stocks, I really think that you're going to be missing out on a potential next leg up within tech sector in particular. Sector rotation and industry rotation is the life force of bull markets. We're not just going to get parabolic moves for 12, 18, 24 months straight. We're going to get some sell-offs as people look to take profits on some really big moves. Does NVIDIA come to mind? Absolutely. Do we think NVIDIA is done? Absolutely not. Every time NVIDIA makes a big leg up, it sells off or consolidates for multiple days, weeks, sometimes months before the next leg up. But there's been no defining feature screaming at us that NVIDIA is done. Semiconductors are not done, but we are now seeing tech rotate some of that capital into software stocks, which have led the market as of this year. This might be the next big spot to add in towards big positions over the next 6 months. Right? Microsoft, Palantir, App, ServiceNow, Salesforce, all these different software stocks. Go through your CoiFin, figure out which tickers inside of IGV are outperforming. Set your risk levels. Find your big 4, 5, 6 to 1 setups and buy the all-time high breakouts. Guys, my name is Hamilton. I'm here with the Trading Initiative. If you like this type of content, please like and subscribe, leave a comment below, and check out some of these incredible returns. Our TSM position up 700% as of today. Apple, ARM, Google, NVIDIA, all these different names, and we are flying off of the charts right now. Microsoft, already a free trade. I was just talking about 134%. My name is Hamilton. Like and subscribe, leave a comment below. Buy the software stocks, guys. That's all I got to say. Catch you next video.